Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the unpay effect or sad face effect in CapCut apps. So this is simple tutorial, and you can tap on your project, select your videos or photo that you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project, and then I'm just going to add the unpay effect. Just select effect and select body effect. Scroll down. This is trending effect. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Original and sad.